Airstream trailers are the best built, best engineered products on the market. Start with the entry door. There are 2 locks, the one on the door handle and the deadbolt below it. It's best to lock them both. When you want to leave the door open, there's a latch on the side of the trailer to hold it. To keep the bugs out, the door has a built-in screen door with a sliding cover. Just release the outside latch to close the main door. You can operate each of the locks from inside the trailer as well. The entry steps are really easy. Just pull out the main step first, then the bottom step hinges over it. Do this in reverse when you want to fold them back up.